Are you planning a trip to the Philippines and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for the Philippines in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Those links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for the Philippines is Airalo. If you're looking for cheap and flexible plans, Airalo is a strong pick. For the Philippines, the options start with 1GB for $4.50, valid for 7 days. There's also 2GB for $7, valid for 15 days, and 3GB for $9.50, valid for 30 days. For heavier data users, you could choose 5GB for $13, 10GB for $21, or 20GB for $32, all valid for 30 days. The app is super simple to use. Once you buy a plan, you get a QR code instantly and you're good to go. If you ever need more data, you can even top up right from the app. And if you use the link in the description, you'll get that 10% discount. Now, if you've already tried Airalo and you didn't like it so far, or maybe you don't like the options they offer, then I recommend Maya Mobile. I've tried it myself and they are great. If speed and simplicity matter most, Maya's plans offer great value, especially if you want truly unlimited data. You've got 10-day options like 3GB for $8.99, 5GB for $12.59, and 10GB for $18.89. Heavy users can step up to 20GB for $35.09 or skip the limits altogether with unlimited data for just $25.19 on that same 10-day window. Everything is 5G enabled and activates instantly. Maya has solid coverage and a clean website. Just pick your destination, pay, and you're connected. There's no app involved. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it will take you to Maya's homepage. From there, just type Philippines into the destination search bar. You'll see a list of available plans. Just choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you'll see that 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. Once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. Just scan it with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. So, which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for light to moderate usage or a month-long stay, Airalo takes the top spot. The plans are cheaper, the validity periods are longer, and the app makes top-ups effortless. But if you're visiting for a short time and plan to stream or hotspot heavily, Maya Mobile's 10-day unlimited data plan under $30 is hard to beat. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in the Philippines in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.